How I stay productive. Work from home tips. If this is your first time here, and you want to be financially free, you are on the right channel. This channel is loaded with powerful leadership, sales, managerial effectiveness, and business strategy that people can immediately apply to get better results in every area. Start now by subscribing and click on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. This piece couldn't have come at a better time than now, when the COVID-19 pandemic is ravaging the world. Because of the fear of this dreadful virus, governments almost all over the world have ordered the total lockdown as one of the preventive measures to combat it. The current out-of-the-blue state of affairs has drastically impacted the revenue and sales of the businesses. International Monetary Funds (IMF) predicted that the world will likely suffer financial crisis due to the pandemic that we haven't seen since the Great Depression. The entire world is about to hit the reset button that will completely change the business models. Working from home has now become a compulsion for the employees. The vital questions should be: why working from home, and how visible and productive could it be? As people are self-quarantining themselves at their various houses, most businesses are now modifying their models of operations and buying the idea of working remotely. Most businesses never knew they could push employees to work from home, but as fate would have it, this is the only solution to the world economy at the moment. But as sweet as working remotely may seem, it could also pose different kinds of challenges, as homes do not have a space created for this purpose. Luckily, if efficient planning can be put in place, productivity is attainable while working from home. Below are some productivity tips that will ensure a win-win situation for you as well as your company while working from home. Proper planning. One of the advantages of proper planning is that it saves time and effort. Planning shows exactly what activity to do at a particular time, and it ensures smooth and orderly of work. Make a plan, and keep to it. When to work, to make calls, go on break, attend to the family at home, and when to call it a day helps to maintain a work-life balance. One of the efficiencies of this is making your family and friends aware of your plan. Avoid anything that can cause interruption; it is a productivity killer. When working from home, your relatives, friends, and neighbors can be the main sources of interruption. Let them realize that because you are at home doesn't mean you are at home during work hours. Follow your plan decisively. Convince yourself enough that you are going to work. Follow up the scheduled plan like a soldier as they're monitoring you. Wake up early, brush, take your bath, and dress up for work as you normally do before this pandemic. Fake it. Make it look real. Walk majestically into the place you already set aside as work in your house. Act it up like you are actually at the office as you walk in. Trust me, you will be in work mode with less effort. You can also maintain your regular working hours. Creating a comfortable working environment. Making sure that the workspace is comfortable will have a significant impact on your performance and productivity levels. A comfortable space helps to create a positive atmosphere, which, in turn, leads to a greater will to produce good results. A clean environment, free of distraction like noise pollution, helps concentration levels. You can be productive, but how productive can you be when you have generators sounding off there and all sorts of things worrying your head? For your comfortability, you need a regular power supply, a computer, and a fast working internet. So, no matter what else you do, invest in all these. Find yourself an adjustable seat. If you aren't comfortable, you can't stay focused and you can't stay productive. See all these things as an investment rather than an expense. Replicate your office environment as much as you can. This will spark the work mode as soon as you sit and ready to work. Be happy in an environment you created. Seeing Malcolm X's portrait makes me happy, and when I am happy I do better work. You will too. So, you can replace the wall paintings with something that makes you happy. It will aid productivity. Start your work with a good mood. A good mood is one of the factors that influence your productivity on a day-to-day basis. The mood has a strong effect on employees' productivity. A good mood resulted in an improvement in both work quality and work quantity. A bad mood will result in the opposite of the stated advantage. Your mood when you clock in tends to affect how you feel for the rest of the day. This is even confirmed by Newton's law of inertia: if you are in motion, you will stay in motion; if you are at rest, you'll stay at rest. A body in super fast motion tends to stay like that. Be like Usain Bolt, not Mo Farah. Start like an Olympic sprinter, not as a marathon runner. Make it a point to do something in the morning that makes you feel good. Eat your favorite food, savor your morning coffee, or tea. Don't rush it. Relax after that and make fewer decisions as not to cause decision fatigue. Each decision you make consumes your cognitive resources, making each future decision more difficult. This can break you down without even getting to your desk. Steve Jobs in one of his talks said that he wore the same outfit daily so as to get rid of energy and save time deciding what to wear. You can emulate this by repeating some of your daily tasks. Don't be distracted. Distraction, as I said earlier before, is a productivity killer. Your phone can be a distraction if you do not manage it well. Put off the notifications as you are about to start work. This will improve your ability to focus on the task at hand. Do away with any gadgets that might interrupt you or your work. Later in the day, you will have time to make up for the calls and messages you missed. Hunger is another form of distraction. It's quite impossible to focus when your stomach is growling. That's why you need to have with you a snack, soft drink, or gala to hold yourself up till the break time. Leisure time. The break is as important as the work itself. This is time for 3 R's. Refresh, relax, and reload. Use the break to break away from your desk and distress. Plan on how to recharge, a meal, a snack, a quick walk, etc. Taking a break allows the body to loosen up and increase body flow to the muscles that have been held in a static position for a long period of time. Stay connected with colleagues. Work colleagues are part of the work fun at the office. A simple smile or well done from a colleague at work can be mentally refreshing. Productivity tips might not be enough here. The boredom of being alone can have a bad effect on your work rate. Put a conference call or video call your work fellows, gist them about your work, they may even have a workable idea that is not part of your plan for you. Have a casual talk, smile, and catch the fun. Include this in your plan as it is the only good source to fill this space. Attach responsibility to your freedom. The self-discipline and seriousness might not be there while working from home since no one is there to enforce any structure on you. The more reason you need to create your own structure and be ruthless about it. Else, you will fritter away much of your day bouncing from task to task and mistaking things that seem urgent for things that are truly important. I hope you found the steps mentioned on how to be successful in life are useful. Thanks for watching it. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. And let's know what you think in the comment below.